In a cozy little house at the edge of town lived a cheerful toddler named JJ. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, JJ's mom would announce, "It's bath time." With a wide grin, JJ would drop his toys and dash to the bathroom, his little feet pattering against the wooden floor. The bathroom was a whimsical place for JJ, full of bubbles, toys, and splashing fun. Mom would fill the tub with warm water, adding a few drops of lavender-scented bubble bath. The bubbles would rise like fluffy, fragrant clouds. As JJ climbed into the tub, he giggled with delight, feeling the warm water wrap around him like a cozy blanket. Bath time was more than just a routine, it was an adventure. JJ's bath toys floated around him like a lively flotilla. There was Ducky, his trusty yellow companion, who never failed to float upright. A little toy pirate ship sailed the high seas, while a plastic octopus jetted through the water with a cheerful squirt. Mom would join in the fun, singing the bath song, a tune JJ loved. Splish, splash, it's time for bath, we're going to get all clean. With a washcloth in hand, Mom scrubbed JJ's small back, and he laughed as the bubbles tickled his skin. Let's wash our face, our hands, and toes, sing along, everybody knows. JJ sang along, his voice bubbling with joy. After a thorough scrub, it was rinse time. Mom would pour water gently over JJ's head using a small cup, careful not to let any soap get into his eyes. More song verses followed, washing away all remnants of the day's play. Soon, JJ was sparkling clean, his skin soft and pink from the warm water. As bath time ended, Mom wrapped JJ in a fluffy towel, drying him off with gentle pats. JJ felt clean, warm, and sleepy, ready for a cozy bedtime story. The bath song was more than just music. It was a beloved ritual that brought joy, cleanliness, and comfort to JJ's evenings. And as he drifted off to sleep, he dreamt of all the bubbly adventures waiting for him in tomorrow's bath.